have GTM. Congratulations. All right. Yeah. So both of you to go to the center and please bow to the
Australian and Indonesian entrepreneurs pitch their groundbreaking sustainable business ideas and reimagining the way plastic are designed, used, and recycled.
These teams were also selected through a very robust and competitive application process to participate in the 10-week-long accelerator program hosted by Australia's CSIRO and Indonesia's Ministry of Education, Culture, Research and Technology through Kedareka, with the support of Indonesia's National Plastics Action Partnership, or known as NPAP.
For our Prime Minister and government, collaboration between Australia and Indonesia on environmental and blue economy issues is a priority. The problem of plastic waste is undoubtedly a global urgent challenge, but if we continue to act collaboratively and foster research and innovation, we can shape a more prosperous future for all. That's why I'm delighted that the Plastics Innovation Hub Indonesia has been supporting some of Australia and Indonesia's most savvy entrepreneurs. We also have geotrash management from Lombok, which generates a new market for plastics that were previously deemed unrecyclable by conventional methods. Geotrash management have revolutionised collection facilities and waste processing capabilities. Through creating a more comprehensive cashback system, waste pickers, aggregators and waste banks can now expand their earning potential. Ending plastic pollution is critical to health, wealth and survival. Through the Plastics Innovation Hub, we stand alongside Indonesia, regionally and internationally, in lending our efforts for the common good. Together, let's shape a waste-free future where we all prosper.
Please help me welcome Andrew Sinclair, the co-founder of GTM, to tell us more about plastics transformation. Andrew, the stage is yours.
Thank you very much for having me, Salamat Sian. Super pumped to be here. It's an amazing day. I'm Andrew Sinclair. I'm the Director of Geotrash Management. I'm here to tell you about our technology that converts zero-value plastic into new resources and forms of revenue for waste pickers, waste banks, and the community. So the two main parts of this problem that we focus on is the material. So we're recycling plastics such as snack packaging, styrofoam, rubber, flip-flops, the material that's not considered recyclable at the moment. And the other area that we focus on is the mechanism behind the pollution itself. So that's lack of access to recycling for low-income families or regional communities who sort of live outside of the areas where there is any waste management at all. So what do we do about it? 18 months ago, we delivered the first of our facilities to Lombok. This is a machine that my partner and myself actually funded. So we've proven, first of all, that it's affordable. We've also proven that it's very easy to maintain, very easy to operate, very easy to run, and mainly it's easy to train. So the community, we can train directly to actually run the machine. So the way the process works is we purchase the plastic from the bank sumper, we compact the plastic into the machine and we seal it up. Then we heat the machine to 300 degrees with a zero oxygen inside of the reactor there. We actually purge it with nitrogen. So this starts the pyrolysis process that breaks down the long chain hydrocarbon of the plastic into a short chain hydrocarbon. So we get gas, we get crude pyrolysis oil, and we get carbon black. After that process, we go through a distillation process. From the distillation process, we're getting diesel, kerosene, gasoline, and naphtha. So this is where we get our revenue to actually buy the plastic from the community. This is the key part. So the business is actually sustainable as a standalone thing in each regency. So currently our impact is that while we've been going through this demonstration, while we've been setting up the collection networks, we've actually, as well, recycled 19,000 kilos of plastic, and we've produced 10,000 litres of pyrolysis oil. We've also shown that the business itself aligns with the legislation and permitting process, and our lab results, our test results, have shown that we actually exceed national standards for fuel and environmental tests. So a 1 ton recycling machine like this one is suitable for a community of 10,400. The bigger machines, the normal machines are 10 ton machines. So 30 of those, 30 tons per day recycling facility would be good for 312,000 people. So the 30 ton per day facility looks like this. So this is a project being built in Henan Province, China by our partners. It's just a scaled up model of what we've delivered to Lombok, and this is really what we want to start to deliver all around Indonesia. So far we've established the PT company. We've done all of our licensing and permits. We've constructed and commissioned our first facility in Lombok. And we've gone through and tested the diesel, the naphthalene, and the benzene in actual engines, and started the design of our large-scale distillation machine. So next year, what our plan is to work directly with the CSIRO on upscaling our distillation technology. So we'll test the hardware and then come to a completion of our financial validation. At that point, phase 2 will be a facility being built in Labuan Bajo, and also facility 3 will be built in Bali. So what we aim to achieve for the community is access to new income streams, access to new revenue for the basically low income households and households or communities that are in regional areas, improvement to the Regency's recycling and the Regency and city recycling capabilities. And also we would love to start producing this machinery and distributing it from Indonesia internationally. So where we are with our clients is that we want to promote a partnership with our clients. So instead of them having to do it all themselves, then we can come in and key in with that. Also, of course, the process solutions and building on our clients' sustainability transition with their own sustainable development goals. So this is our team. What we really want to get out of this program is meeting great other players in the industry, building on our networks, our partnerships, and our resources. So thanks very much for the time, and please get in contact with us today or tomorrow.
Wow, thank you so much, Andrew. It's interesting, and I'm truly amazed that you can transform otherwise such discarded plastic waste into low energy carbon and also to fossil fuels, because solutions like this are very needed to improve our circular economy. All right, so judges, do you have any questions? Yes, Simon?
Thanks, Andrew. You made a comment in one of your earlier slides about producing a low carbon fuel. Can you just clarify that for me, please? Because they look like fossil fuels to me.
It is a fossil fuel, but the process of actually producing it is a lot lower in terms of carbon production than standard fossil fuels. Because we collect the plastic locally and we use very little energy, it's just a comparison between standard and what we do.
Thank you. Next.
Actually a bit similar, but maybe a little bit more around the economics of it. Just trying to understand the fossil fuel that you produces, how does it compare to the fossil fuel that is actually being marketed at the moment, that's available at the moment.
How does it
In terms
compare?
of cost, in terms of price.
Yeah, okay. We can produce our fuel for about 50% of the sales price. So I'm not sure what it costs per Tamina to produce their fuel, but we can easily sell our fuel for 5% less than the market rate. Yeah.
Yep, interesting. Thank you so much, Andrew. And please give a round of applause for your great presentation.
Before announcing the winners, I would like to thank the teams for their wonderful presentations and for completing the program. Today, we should celebrate all the teams, not just the ones receiving prizes. So congratulations to you all.
Moving up to the second place. Okay, so can you guess your favorite one? Will they win? All right, so here it is. Ding, 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 ding. In the second place, we have GTM. Congratulations. All right. Yep. So both of you to go to the center and please smile to the camera. 3, 2, 1. All right, perfect. Thank you so much, Team GTM, and congratulations. Going to take a picture together.